Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a product that I ordered from Amazon.in and see seller's address, and I have ordered a optical set that we are going to unbox today, and I am going to make a review of it soon also. So let us unbox it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it, and let's start. So outer package, 100% satisfied, as no damage to the outer package here. No damage. So let us see what is inside it. So I have opened the tape here. Now let us see what's inside. So firstly, a pile of cloth. They are small strips of cloth. Let us keep it aside. So first thing here is glass slab. Second thing here is a glass prism. Optical illusion tops. It is, I don't know what it is. It is something. It is taped, so I will open it and see. Okay, it is double convex lens. Lens double concave. Next thing is here, and we are going to strip off this tape. Plain mirror. Tax invoice. This is concave mirror. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Concave mirror is this, and this is convex mirror. Focal length 15 centimeter. That's it. Nothing more inside. So this is all we got here, and I will tell you what's and how are the thing inside. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit my blog. The blog address is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.